Turning your engine 9J187. Turning good, and the front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage, all nice. On this side, engines looks good, compressor looks as well, as you can see. Altimeter looks good, no in good conditions. All windows looks good, no damage, no water. Starter look as well. Gearbox looks good. And on this side, engines look as well. No damage, no broken. And on the top, all connectors and injectors looks good, no damage, no water. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. We have a little damage on this side, but nothing critical. And turning your engine 9J187.